In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up in Webflow using native interactions. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into Webflow, or if you're new, create an account. Webflow offers a powerful yet user-friendly platform for building custom websites visually. And the best part is starting is absolutely free. Once you are on the platform, if you haven't already, go ahead and sign up. It's quite straightforward. You can use your email and a unique password, or if you prefer, use Google to sign in. Remember, a strong password is key to keeping your account secure, so choose one wisely. Now let's get to the creative part, designing your pop-up. Head over to the Webflow editor. This is where the magic happens. Inside the editor, the first step is to select a section. Click and drag a section onto your canvas. This will serve as the base for your design. Next, you'll want to add a div block. Similarly, click on the div block and drag it into the section you've just created. Adjust the elements accordingly to make sure everything is aligned and visually pleasing. The section and div block are the foundational layers onto which you'll build your pop-up. After setting up your basics, it's time to add some flair. Click on the image inside your div block and choose to replace it. This is where you can personalize your pop-up by adding graphics or animations. If you have specific media in mind, like Lottie animations or Reeve widgets, this is your opportunity to integrate them. Once the media is placed, it's crucial to allocate styles to your div block. Go ahead and click on the Add Style option in your workspace. This is where you'll want to rename your div block to something more fitting, like pop-up, using the class naming feature. Moving on, adjust the height and other dimensions to ensure your pop-up fits well within your design's context. Tweak these under the size options typically found in the style settings. Your pop-up should not be too imposing, but visible enough to capture user attention. Now for the interactive elements, click on interactions and assign an element trigger, specifically a mouse click or tap. Choose your action. In this case, displaying the pop-up. This interaction ensures as soon as the user clicks, your pop-up springs into action. Finally, preview your creation, make any necessary adjustments, and once satisfied, click on Publish to bring your masterpiece to life. Additionally, ensure to publish your project to selected domains to make it accessible. And there you have it, a fully functional pop-up made with ease in Webflow. Close the editor window, and as you step back, admire your work. You've successfully crafted a dynamic pop-up using Webflow's native interactions. Remember, practice and exploration within the Webflow environment will only refine your skills and expand your creative possibilities. Enjoy your Webflow journey and stay creative.